We're here with vegetable specialist Kiki Fontenot in her home garden, and she's going to tell us a little bit today about growing corn. Kiki, could you tell us a little bit about this variety of corn that you're growing?
Sure, Heather. This is actually an ornamental corn. Some people refer to it as Indian corn or rainbow corn, and you're going to see that it has beautiful stripes on the leaves, which makes it a little bit different.
So it's normal.
That's normal. This is not a nutrition deficiency for this variety.
Okay.
But you're also going to notice, and they're not ready to harvest quite yet, but the ears on this corn are going to be red, turquoise, yellow, orange, green, all on the same ear. So they're very, very pretty and rainbow in two different ways. This corn, though, is very similar to edible corn in that when you're growing it, you're going to need to plant 3 rows side by side. So you can see there's the row behind us and one more row back there. And that's because corn's wind pollinated. It's a monoecious plant, male flowers, female flowers, and the pollen has to fall from here onto the female flowers in order for that ear to fill out. So wind plays a big role into that right there.
Awesome.
Similar to edible corn.
And how do we know when to harvest?
This corn here is a little bit different from sweet corn. Just like sweet corn, the ears with silks that are white or still light green, these are not ready. But when they start to darken like this and dry out, you know that that's starting to get ready. On a normal sweet corn, I would harvest this ear. But since this is ornamental, I need these kernels to completely dry out. So I'm gonna wait until the entire husk turns brown, and then I'll remove that ear from this plant and take it inside to dry, further dry.
Awesome, great. So you dry it and then you can use it as a decoration. Maybe
Yes.
at Thanksgiving time would be perfect.
Perfect. Mm-hmm.
So, for Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.